Una kong nakita tong bag na to kay Bella Padilla. Yes, cute lang siya. Pang ano lang, pang grocery. Pang grocery. Alright, so let's start with this Gucci boxes. You can just put it in your neck. Ganyan lang siya. Ano siya? Super comfortable nitong sneakers na to. Super comfy. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, C, and we're up for another Japan video vlog. Yes, this is a Japan series vlog, as you can see, and as promised, today I'm gonna show you guys the things that we bought from our Japan vintage shopping, as we visited like a lot of Japan vintage shops in Tokyo. And I'm gonna show you guys today kung anong mga anik-anik, anong mga luxury items ang nabili natin, mga nabudol. At the same time, we visited two premium outlets in Japan, which is in Gotemba Premium Outlet and also in Mitsui Park Outlet. So yun, let me show you guys what we got, the luxury items that we bought. And also, finally, I bought my dream bag. Yes, I got my dream bag in Japan. So stand by, everyone, and I hope you like this video. Just to let you know, ang dami naming binisitang vintage shop sa Tokyo, Japan. Sandamakmak yung vintage shop sa Tokyo, Japan. And if you are a luxury lover, then Tokyo, Japan is the best place for you. Yes, so yung mga shops na pinuntahan namin to look for vintage shops are in Shibuya, Ueno, and in Ginza. So yung three areas na yun, guys, it's very different. So you will find different types of bags as well and different types of vintage shops. So una namin pinuntahan is sa Ginza kasi I need to buy like 2 bags for me and for my best friend din kasi naghahanap din siya ng dream bag niya. So we got hers as well there sa Japan. So yun, nung naghanap-hanap kami, wala pa rin talaga. So kaya sa brand off kami na uwi. Doon kami na nakabili. Now, meron ding mga vintage shops sa Ueno. Nakabili din ako sa Ueno, yung bag ko. My Chanel bag. I got it from Ueno, Tokyo, Japan. So doon ko siya nabili. As you can see, may kasama siyang box. May kasama din siyang dust bag. Not its original dust bag, but it's fine. It's Chanel dust bag anyway. And it has box. It has authenticity card as well. And yun, I'm very, very happy with my purchase. So, ipapakita ko siya sa inyo. Another place is in Shibuya. There's a lot of like vintage shops in Shibuya as well. You can find a lot of like vintage fine bags wherein I'm gonna show you guys today kung ano yung mga nabili namin. Ayun. So, hindi na ako magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. Let me show it to you guys. Unahin ko na, guys. Pakita ko lang kung ano yung nabili ko sa Japan. Hindi siya vintage item, but it's a shoes. So, ang ganda niya kasi it's a new release from On. So, it's the On Cloud sneakers, Zendaya. This one is the Zendaya approved shoes. So, pakita ko lang din siya sa inyo kasi dito sa Dubai, actually halos wala akong makita or kung meron man, ang mahal niya. Sobrang mahal niya. So, pumunta kami sa flagship store sa Japan ng On and yun yan, doon ko to nabili. Sobrang ganda. So, if you're looking for a sneakers in Japan, mag-roam around kayo around Harajuku Street. Doon, malapit siya sa Shibuya. Harajuku Street, baybayin niyo yun. Lahat ng flagship store nandun. On flagship store, Adidas flagship store, Nike, New Balance, lahat ng Atmos stores nandun. So, you'll enjoy it, guys, if you're a sneakerhead. So, yun. This is the Zendaya approved sneakers. And, ang ganda niya. Actually, nagamit ko na siya. Isang beses ko siya nagamit. Ang ganda niya. Zendaya approved. Sobrang comfy niya, guys. Super comfortable nitong sneakers na to. Super comfy. I highly suggest this. Especially, binili ko to kasi lagi ako nakatayo or naglalakad sa work. So, I need to get a comfortable sneakers for work. So, yun. Ito talaga ang best buy. So, if you're traveling, kung mahilig kayong maglakad or whatsoever, tumayo, kung gusto niyo ng comfy shoes, this is the best shoes. On Cloud. So, On Cloud is actually a Swiss brand. Yeah, it's a Swiss engineering design. It's a Swiss brand. Sobrang lambot niya. And sa Japan, sobrang mura niya. As in. So, the price, actually, parang 50% off ko siyang nabili compared dito sa Dubai. If bibiling ko siya dito sa Dubai. Diba? Ang laking difference. So, yun. Best buy to siya. Okay, so moving on. Yes, ito na. Isa-isay na natin ang mga vintage finds na nabili natin sa Tokyo, Japan. So, I got some items in here. Hindi siya Gucci, guys, kasi nandito na yung mga Gucci ko. Ipapakita ko rin sa inyo kung anong mga to. Pero, dito ko lang siya nilagay. So, ito yung mga bags na nagustuhan ko talaga, na hinahanap ko ng matagal na panahon, tapos hindi ko mahanap. So, sa Japan ko lang pala siya makikita. So, first bag is this Prada Tessuto, I think, nylon bag. So, ayan, ang ganda-ganda niya, guys. This is a vintage bag. I think merong mga new release ng bag na to, pero ito talaga yung style na hinahanap ko na matagal na panahon na. So, ang daming mga vintage stores na pinaghahanapan ko nito, as in wala sila. Wala silang makita, ganon. So, I've been looking for it also online. There are some people who's selling this, but sobrang mahal. Ang mahal na nilang binibenta. So, I got this in Japan and I'm so happy. Ayan, ganyan siya. Una kong nakita tong bag na to kay Bella Padilla. Yes. Nakita ko siya kay Bella Padilla. May ganito siyang bag. Nabili din niya siya sa isang vintage shops or I think sa isang seller sa Paris, France. Something like that. Yeah, but I saw this from her. So, nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, ay, ang ganda. Very classic siya. And it actually fits any outfit. Ang ganda-ganda niya for travel and also like for casual wear. Sobrang ganda niya. And I so love black and gold also. So, second bag that we got from a vintage store in Tokyo is this Dior honeycomb sling bag. Yes. Cute lang siya. Pang ano lang. Pang grocery. Pang grocery. Cute, di ba? Ang cute niya eh. Sa ano lang, wala klase lang. Tsaka, ang ganda kasi ng ano, ang ganda pa ng bag niya, ng texture. As in, parang hindi pa siya nagagamit. Sobrang ganda. Oh, di ba? So, maganda to pang ano, maganda to pang alis-alis, ganyan, pang grocery. So, I got it in a very good price. Sa Ginza ko to siya nakuha. One of the shops in Ginza. Marami silang mga Dior vintage, mga Dior na saddle, mga ganon. Dami, ang gaganda talaga as in, kung hindi lang ako bumili ng Chanel, siguro napabili ako ng saddle bag. Kasi mga ganitong style yung meron sila. Yan. Alright, so let's start with this Gucci boxes. So yun nga, nagpunta kami sa dalawang premium outlet sa Japan, which is in Gotemba Premium Outlet at saka sa Mitsui Park Outlet. So both of those outlets has Gucci. Sobrang ganda, guys. I mean, para akong nakawala sa hawla. Ayun, para talaga ako nakawala sa hawla nung nandun ako. So, yung Gotemba Premium Outlet, guys, malayo siya sa city. Malayo siya sa Tokyo. We went to Gotemba Premium Outlet dahil nag-Mount Fuji trip kami. Unfortunately, hindi talaga kami sinuwerte kasi hindi namin nakita yung Mount Fuji that day dahil umuulan. So, nung nag-visit kami umuulan, sobrang bad timing talaga. So, we just spent a little bit of time sa Gotemba Premium Outlet. So, first one, yay! Ayan. So, nagustuhan ko to siya kasi it's so me. Yun ang lagi kong sinasabi, it's so me. It's very me. I like that they put it in a box. You can ask them actually to put it in a box. Usually kapag ka outlet, hindi na nila binabox kasi nga, you save na money. But of course, you wanted it like as a gift and you want to do unboxing like this. So, better yet, you ask them to put it in a box. So, ayan, open natin siya. Tada! So, I got this Gucci scarf. Super classy niya. Ayan. Yan siya. I got this Gucci scarf. This came from the previous collection. But it's very, very beautiful still. Ganyan, you can wear it in many ways. Ayan. You can just put it in your neck. Ganyan lang siya. Ayan, pretty lang. Makaartehan eh, no? So, ayan. Pwede mo rin ganyan. Actually, malaki to siya, guys. Lagi kasi ako nagta-travel for, lalo pag winter. Ayan, ang ganda, diba? Very old money lang. Pang winter, ano siya. Diba? Ang ganda. Ganda ito, pang afternoon tea sa Louvre o kaya sa Harrods. Oh, diba? Okay, so next item. So this is another scarf. Yes, it's our scarf era box. This is actually a classic scarf. Ang ganda niya. Ngayon ko lang siya ulit nakita after ko siyang binili. Guys, ang ganda. Grabe, galing mo si. Naka-two-way siya. So this is the light brown and this is the dark brown. Ayan. Dalawang bagay lang sinasabi ko. It's either maganda siya pang work at saka maganda siya pang travel. So yun lang. Yun ang maririnig mo sa akin. Ayan o, ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda niya, guys. Ayan. So perfect to pang winter, as in. Tsaka makapal siya, it's wool. Ayan, ito yung dark. Is this. Yes. Sunod-sunurin na natin. Ayan, ito naka-ribbon pa. Ito naman, nakuha namin to sa Mitsui Park Outlet. Yes. So, parang sabi ko, hindi pa enough yung hindi enough talaga yung pagpunta namin dun sa Gotemba Premium Outlet. So, kaya kailangan talaga nating pumunta pa ng isang outlet. This one's color black naman siya. Yan. Really prepping for, for winter. Yan. So, this is one of the most classiest black doon sa Gucci. Ayan. Black siya. And ano rin to siya, reversible. Baliktaran siya. Ito naman is the black classic. Yung likod niya, plain black lang. O, diba? Bagay pa siya sa outfit ko today. Bagay na bagay siya, guys. Ganda, diba? Oh. Tapos, mas makapal to siya, guys. Ito yung pinakamakapal sa lahat ng sa lahat ng nabili ko. Ito. So, last but not the least, we do have this Gucci wallet. And this is just a classic wallet as well. Ta-da! Lambskin. Ayan. Maganda lang. No coin. No coin slots. And pang card lang siya. Tsaka pang cash. Ayan. There you go. That is it for the part 1 of our luxury shopping vintage haul from Japan. And I'll see you guys on my next video where I unbox my dream bag. Yes, my Chanel bag. I'll unbox it to you guys and I'll let you know which exact store I bought it and what are the inclusions that I got and the price as well. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, something that I might be able to help, don't hesitate to comment it down below. So I hope na meron kayong nakuha sa video ito. Alright, sa ating mga kaartihan at kung ano-ano pa mga pag-shopping. Yun, just let me know if you guys have any question I might help. And please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this to your friends. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye!